Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalini with you. So in the last video we did exercise 2.4 from the chapter Polynomials, and today we are going to do exercise 2.5, and since that exercise is a bit lengthy I have divided into three parts, and this is the first part of that exercise. And if you want me to do any other exercise or any other particular topic, you can put in the comment section, so I shall try to include in the next video. So let's see the video. Let's start doing the exercise. First question is x plus 4 into x plus 10, and we have to use suitable identity. So first thing, we have to identify which identity we should use in this question. X plus 4 into x plus 10. So in both the brackets you can see that the first term is the same and the second terms are different. So we have an identity like x plus a into x plus b, and the result is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here in place of a you have 4 and in place of b you have 10. So we will apply this identity. X square is the same only, x square, a plus b, that is 4 plus b is 10, put a bracket and then put x outside, plus a into b, that is 4 into 10. So this is x square, 10 plus 4 is 14x, plus 10 into 4 is 40. Now the next question, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So here you can see that the first terms in both the bracket are the same and the second terms are different. And look at the signs are also different. So here also we can make use of the same identity, because in place of x you have 3x, then in place of a you have plus 4, and in place of b you have minus 5. So what you do is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5, you write it as 3x plus 4 into 3x plus minus 5, so that there won't be any confusion. So 3x the whole square, that is x square, plus a plus b, that is 4 plus minus 5, into, in place of x you have 3x, plus a into b, that is 4 into minus 5. So the answer will be 9x square. 4 plus minus 5, that is 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. And then 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20. Now the third question is y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. So we can see that both the terms are the same, only the sign is different. So which identity we can use over here? We can use a plus b into a minus b. And a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So in this question, in place of a you have y square, and in place of b you have 3 by 2. So a square means y square the whole square minus, and what is b? 3 by 2 the whole square. So this is equal to y square the whole square will become y raised to 4, and 3 by 2 when you square you will get 9 by 4. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So that means we are going to make use of the identity. So let's take the first question. 103 into 107. 103 we can write as 100 plus 3, and 107 we can write as 100 plus 7. So again, using the same identity, that is x plus a into x plus b, we can make use of the same identity because the first term is the same, right? So x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So what is x here? X, in place of x we have 100, A equal to 3 and B equal to 7. So this is equal to 100 square plus A plus B, that is 3 plus 7 into x is 100 plus 3 into 7. So 100 square will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 into 100 is 1000 and 7 3s are 21. So the answer will be 11021. Now let's do the second one, which is 95 into 96. See, 95 and 96 we can write as 95 we can write as 100 minus 5. In the same way, 96 we can write as 100 minus 4. So which identity we can make use of? Your same thing, x plus a into x plus b. Only thing, when you write, you should rewrite this like 100 plus minus 5, and the next one is 100 plus minus 4. Same identity. X is equal to 100, a equal to minus 5, b equal to minus 4. Now, when you write the identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. And what is x? 100. So 100 square. A plus b. A plus b is minus 5 plus minus 4 into 100 plus a into b. A into b is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 4. 4 zeros. Minus 9 into 100 is minus 900, and then 5 into 4 is 20. So 10,000 plus 20. So it will be 10020 minus 900. So the answer will be 9120. Now look at this question. 104 into 96. So both the numbers we can express in terms of 100, because 104 means 100 plus 4, and 96 we can write as 100 minus 4. And this is like a plus b into a minus b again. And we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a is 100 and b is 4. So a square minus b square will be 100 square minus 4 square, and therefore you will get 10000 minus 16, and that will be 9984. Now we are going to factorize the following expressions using appropriate identities. So let's take the first one, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Look at the first and the third term. We can see that they are square terms. That means we can write these numbers as 9x square you can write as 3x the whole square. And then the last term, y square, means y the whole square. And what about the middle term? Middle term you can see that, see, 3x into y into 2. That will give you 6xy. 6xy you can split as 2 into 3x into y. So this is same like identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can see that this expression is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a plus b the whole square. Similarly, this expression we can write as 3x plus y the whole square. Look at the next question, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So here also we can see something. The first and the third term are square numbers. That is, we can write as 2y the whole square. Then the last term is 1 square. Now what about the middle term 4y? 4y we can write as 2 into 2y into 1. So this is like 2ab. So we can write here 2 into 2y into 1. And that is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b the whole square. So we can write this expression as 2y minus 1 the whole square. Now the third one, x square minus y square by 100. We have only two terms and both the terms are square numbers. We can write it as x the whole square minus, in the same way, y square by 100 we can write as y by 10 the whole square. So remember, we have studied the identity a square minus b square, and that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this expression we can write as a plus b into a minus b. And in place of a we have x, and in place of b we have y by 10. So just write according to the identity, which is a plus b, that is x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. I will be uploading the remaining part of exercise 2.5 in the next video. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.